In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable Instagram stories replies. So if you keep receiving different replies or comments on your Instagram stories, you can easily turn this off on your account, and this is going to turn off around or across all your stories on Instagram. So if you are new to this video, if you found this video helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do, when you want to disable Instagram stories on your account, all you need to do is open the Instagram application and make sure you go to your Instagram profile. On the profile page, click on the menu icon at the top right. Now just scroll down when this opens until you see how others can interact with you. Then click on message and story replies. There you go. Then you have access to message control, then story replies, show activity status, and show read receipt. Now click on story replies. Now wait for this page to load. Once the page loads, just come down here and select don't allow story replies. So instead of choosing allow story replies from everyone or allow story replies from only people you follow, just click don't allow story replies. With this feature turned on, your Instagram account will disable Instagram story replies on all your Instagram stories and reels. So this is how you can easily disable Instagram story replies on your account. If this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.